All right, Max. Here's a view sub video for you. Okay, so it looks like we're doing the integral of 10x squared over the square root of 1 plus x cubed dx. So this is a u sub problem because you could see with the x cubed. You see once you take the derivative of that, it will cancel out the x squared. And as you do u sub more often, you'll get an I for this. So what you need to do first, is find the value of u. And then, so the reason u is equal to 1 plus x cubed is because when you take the derivative of this, which is du equals, which is du equals 3x squared dx. You notice how there's an x squared term and x squared term here? Check this out. So then you do, you can do dx is equal to du over 3x squared. And then you want to plug it back into this integral you have here. So now you have the integral of 10x squared over the square root of u, which is up here. And then you have 1 over 3x squared du. I literally just plugged this into dx and I got this new integral here. And then what you can do is, since you're not finding the integral of dx, you're finding the integral of du, you can pull out the 3x squared. So you can do 1 over 3x squared and the integral of 10x squared over the square root of u du. That just makes it look nicer. You don't have to do it. But next, you can see that the x squares cancel out. And then you can also pull the 10 out because it's a constant. So you do 10 over 3 integral of 1 over square root of u du, which is infinitely easier to solve than this first integral we had here. Okay, let's solve that integral. So you have 10 over 3 times u, oops, I wrote wrong character, u to the 1/2 over 1/2. And I got this because the square root of u is just u to the 1/2. And then I think you know how to do integrals, but essentially you add 1 to the power and you divide it by that power. So just as an example, this doesn't relate to this problem at all. You can have x squared, you have x, and the integral of x is just x squared over 2. But yes, and then you want to simplify this even more. So then you get, just making sure the recording's still going, all right. So you get 10 over 3 times 2u to the 1/2. And then just to make sure, just so you're not confused, this equals, so when you're dividing it by a fraction, you can also multiply by its reciprocal. So you get 2u to the 1/2. Excuse me, I forgot the plus c. I'm sorry about that. Then what you also want to do is you want to plug in u, but we can simplify this a little bit more. So you can do 20 over 3. You can do 20 times the square root of 1 plus x cubed over 3 plus c. And this is your final answer. You can't condense this even more. And just to make sure you believe me, this is with integral calculator. So this is the answer that we got, and this is the answer. This is the answer they got, and that's the same answer that we got. I would highly recommend using this website, by the way, because you hit show steps, and it literally shows you all of what you need to do. And you can see that all the steps that they told us to do are the steps that we wrote down. All right, see you, Max.